This cordless vacuum I just got on Amazon is absolutely flying off the shelves. Let me show you why. All right, guys, you're probably wondering why are people buying? You're wondering the same thing I was wondering. Why are people buying the 80,000 RPM cordless vacuum, the P11 cordless vacuum in droves right now? Why are people buying it? And also, should you buy it? So, just a short week ago, I was in the same position you are. I'm trying to find a cordless vacuum that makes sense to buy. You know, when you're buying stuff online, you have to have a certain criteria because you can't test it out till you get it. Now, obviously, you can return, but it's kind of a hassle. You want to get what you know is going to work for you so you can just go to work. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you why I bought this. Bought this specific one. It has, it's selling like crazy right now. So, there's hundreds and hundreds of these that are being purchased every month. And it has 4.5 to 5 star. It's 4.5 stars plus. And there's just dozens of people that are leaving written reviews talking about why they're happy they purchased it. I have a tendency to think that's probably going to go up because I think this product's accelerating right now. But here's the box that it came in. So I bought it because everyone else was. I was like, dude, it's got really good reviews. It's exactly what I want it to be. You basically have this storage mount. Now, I haven't mounted it on my wall yet because I haven't figured out where I want to put it. It's going to be somewhere in the laundry room. But this is just the storage rack. So you got a 3M sticker on the back. You can just put this on the wall and the vacuum will just hang right on it. You're going to see how cool that is in a second. I'm just going to show you all the parts. So this is the actual hose. And just to show you the length. So it can extend out as far as that and compact down as much as that. Now, I'm going to show you how it connects in a second. We also have several attachments. So we have that traditional brush attachment. We also have that hose that kind of like thin hose attachment. When I think of something like this, I think in the cracks and crevices of your couch. Also, I'm going to tell you the real reason why I think this is the one to get in a second. This is the battery. So, yeah. Okay. All right. So, this is the battery right here. All you do to charge it is there's a hole in the back. You just plug that in there. Boom. And this plugs into the wall and it's charged right up. And this has it's got a really high runtime on it. So, you're not going to run out of juice. And all you do is hang it back on the wall or plug it in afterwards. Now, here's the money maker right here, dude. This is how compact it is, dude. I can't believe how compact it is. I'll go ahead and just put the battery on there right now. It's almost like a GUN, you know, it just kind of triggers on. It's like, boom, let's get it. All right, so here is the vacuum part. This thing's really nice, super high quality, moves around very easily, has really nice wheels on it. So what I love most about this vacuum is, number one, it's cordless. Number two, it's a regular vacuum. So we can go like this, put that on, maybe extend the hose out so we can get that length. There we go. We got the max length. And then we can put the end on. This is how easy it is to use, by the way. So we've got the end on, right? So we can use it for like vacuuming the carpet, vacuuming the hardwood floor. Now, the other thing I like about it, no bag. So all you do when you're done, you can just drain it right here like that. And I've got some dust in there, so we'll just drain that out. So you can drain it very easily straight into the trash can. You don't have to worry about bags or anything like that. Now, I want to show you the rest of the reason why I love this. Because it easily, in an instant, turns into a handheld vacuum that's not just kind of good. A lot of those handheld vacuums absolutely suck. This one's sweet. You could use it for your couch, but I really think it's sweet because you can use it for your car. So you could use this for an area. You could just straight up get on your trunk or in the carpet in the front or the back with this. I mean, look how compact that is. And then you've also got the attachment that allows you to get straight into the couch crevices, get into your seat, get in little crack areas, like, you know, the areas in your car, like between things, like between the center console and the chair, or between the chair and the outer door. There's like little cracks where it's like kind of hard to get something in there. This is going to allow you to do it. I love how easy this is to charge, how easy it is to shift it from like a regular vacuum to a compact vacuum. And I love that the compact vacuum is actually serious, not just a crappy little piece of trash. This thing's really nice. Highly recommend.